Hey everybody, it's Miss Winnie RN coming to you today from inside the camper. I just wanted to show you guys a little thing that I've just purchased. I have for 6 months been living in my RV full time, and I have been visiting the laundromat every week, every couple of weeks. So the last week I decided that I was tired of the laundromat to do small loads. So I purchased myself a washing machine for my RV. Now mind you, I do have full washer and dryer hookups here, but I didn't want a combo unit just yet. So what I purchased was this little guy here. It is supposedly, it's a washer spin dryer. Let me turn it around here just a little bit so you guys can get a better look at it. And the premise behind this is you put your laundry in here and you wash it. Then you flip it to here, and this is the spin dryer in here. So you wash, you spin dry, you rinse, and you spin dry. So we're going to see how this works, and I'm going to load it up and get it ready. I do have to turn it kind of odd to get it to plug into my power outlet, so it will be at a funny shape when I get back. So due to the fact that these hoses that they send with this little contraption do not connect to anything in the RV, I am filling it with my shower head, some cold water. I'm going to see how many loads, how much I can get in this thing. I'm going to try to wash a couple loads of scrubs. So I got it full and with water, and I've added 3 pairs of scrubs and turned it on for a 15-minute wash. And it agitates the clothes very well. As you can see, it spins them in one direction, spins them back in the other direction. So we're going to let that run and drain, and then I will be back to give you an idea of what it looks like when it's draining. Alright, we've completed our wash and rinse cycle, and as you can hear, it is spinning the clothes dry. It has about 2 minutes left on this cycle. There is no more water coming out of the clothes. I do have 2 pairs of scrub pants and a scrub top in the spinner right now, and when they come out, I will finish spin drying the rest of these clothes that are in here, and then I'll take them out to dry. So this is the amount of clothes that I washed with a few odds and ends, socks and underwear, and for the most part they came out of the spin dryer damp but not soaking wet. You will probably be able to hang dry them overnight and they would be dry in the morning, but I went ahead and purchased a drying unit. So this is the drying unit that I purchased online. Same time I purchased the washing machine, and it will hold a fair amount of clothes. I've got all my scrubs hung up. I'm going to place the top on it and turn it on and give you guys a look at how it works. So this is the drying unit all closed up with the clothes in it. Down under here you will find the timer. So I think I'm going to give it about 30 minutes to dry, maybe 35 minutes. It will go up to 180 minutes, it looks like. So what it does is it forces hot air up over the clothes. The reason it is outside the RV is because the warm air does come out the top of it over these little vent holes, and it is fairly warm. So we'll see how that does when it's all done. I did not want it in the RV, heating up the RV anymore. Today is an exceptionally warm day here in North Carolina. It's about 85 degrees, which is actually cooler than it has been. Overall, I have to say that I'm actually pretty happy with the washing machine. It did a fairly large load. Unfortunately, you can't spin dry as many clothes as you wash, so it does take a couple cycles, and it is very easy to get it out of balance. I did a couple times with a couple pair of pants. But overall, I think it's going to be a good fit for the RV for me. since it is just me and the cats, they don't have many clothes to wash. And I generally don't have a lot, less scrubs and maybe a few workout clothes every week. I will still go to the laundromat though for the bed sheets and the cat sheets that are actually covering the couches right now. But overall, I'm happy with the washer. We'll see how the dryer comes out. I'll let you guys know in just a little bit. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and checking the clothes. The waistbands of these scrubs and these pants are still really wet, but for the most part, they're semi-dry. So I'm gonna turn them back on for another 30 minutes and see if that gets them done. So final review of the washer and dryer. I think they both did a good job for what they are. The dryer seems to take about an hour to dry the amount of clothes that I put in it, which was 3 scrub tops, 3 scrub pants, a pair of like mid-knee pants, and some socks and underwear. But all in all, I think it did a really good job, and I'll probably continue to use it just for the small things to keep me from having to go to the laundromat so often. I hope you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks for watching. If you have not done so, like and subscribe down below, and look for more videos on my journey as a travel nurse. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.